Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green peppers. To begin, start your green pepper seeds indoors about 8 to 10 weeks before your region's last expected frost. Use a high-quality seed starting mix in trays or small pots. Plant each seed approximately 1/4 inch deep. Ensure the soil temperature remains consistently warm, ideally between 75 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, to encourage germination within 7 to 10 days. 1. 11-18. Once your seedlings are strong enough, it's time to prepare them for their outdoor home. Before transplanting, harden off your young plants for 1 to 2 weeks by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions. Select a garden spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily and has well-draining soil. Space your pepper plants 18 to 24 inches apart to allow for proper growth and air circulation. Enrich the soil with plenty of organic compost for optimal fertility. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 19. Consistent care is key to a bountiful harvest. Green pepper plants need regular watering, especially during dry spells, aiming for 1 to 2 inches of water per week. Fertilize your plants every 4 to 6 weeks with a balanced fertilizer to support healthy growth and fruit production. As your plants mature and begin to bear fruit, provide support using stakes or cages to prevent branches from breaking. Applying a layer of mulch around the base of your plants will help retain soil moisture and keep weeds at bay. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 13. Finally, the rewarding part, harvesting your delicious green peppers. You can typically begin harvesting about 60 to 90 days after transplanting. Pick your peppers when they are firm, glossy, and have reached their desired size. Use a sharp knife or garden shears to cut the stem, leaving a small piece attached to the pepper. Harvesting regularly encourages the plant to produce even more fruit. Store your freshly picked green peppers in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 13.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.